Okay, here is our next algebraic expression. Lena spent $35 at the bookstore. This was $7 less than 3 times what she spent at the craft store. How much did she spend at the craft store? To find what x equals, we need to first multiply 3 times a number that, when subtracted by 7, equals 35. So the way the expression would look is, the equation would look something like this. 3 times x equals whatever we come up with when we multiply by x, minus 7 equals 35. So that's the equation. So we're trying to solve for x to figure out what this number is, to subtract it by 7 to equal 35. Okay, so first we're going to try 3 times 10. That equals 30. Subtracted by 7 equals 23. Not quite there yet, so we're going to try a number a little higher than this. All right, let's try 3 times 12. 3 times 12, 36. Subtracted by 7, we only have 29. We're getting close though. So that equals 29. So we're going to try one more number a little higher. Let's try 3 times 14. Equals 42. Minus 7 equals $35. That is our magic number. So x equals 14. So written out neatly, this is what our equation would look like. 3 times x equals 14. 3 times 14 equals 42. You subtract that by 7 and we get 35.